done something exciting. Wow, look at that. So I done some chicken curry in pizza oven. Wow, that looks good. That looks good. Let's see how that looks. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just like cooked chicken in the bone. That's the best way. You get really nice taste of it. And look at the curry sauce. I gonna dig in this tonight.